Are you craving the Panda Express Mushroom Chicken but don't want to leave the house? I figured out how to make it at home for half the price, and honestly, it tastes even better than the original. First, we're going to start by making the sauce. Whisk together chicken broth, soy sauce, rice, vinegar, garlic, ginger, and cornstarch together in a saucepan. Bring to a boil until it thickens and set aside. Now start with your chicken thighs already cut into chunks. Coat them in cornstarch. This is that secret to the perfect texture. Let it set for 5 minutes. Pan fry the chicken in sesame oil until cooked through and remove from the pan. Then you're going to toss in the mushrooms and zucchini, cook till they're golden, and add back in the chicken. Then you are going to add that warm sauce and toss everything together. And just like that, you have Panda Express Mushroom Chicken at home. Make a big batch on Sunday and you've got healthy takeout all week long. Now who's trying Panda Express at home tonight?